Bitcoin, nothing but everything.
Why do successful people always say, take risks, learn new things, and listen to those who know more than you? Imagine this, it's 2009. You wake up to an ordinary day. If you are a child, you're probably thinking about playing with your friends on the weekend or heading to school during the week. Suddenly, one of your friends says, "Hey, I found this cool game where you can earn virtual coins and turn them into real money." But you dismiss it, thinking it's just a silly idea. If you are a teenager in university, a friend might tell you about a new thing called Bitcoin, saying, "If you invest in this, you will be a millionaire someday." You laugh it off, thinking, that's ridiculous. No one gets rich from virtual coins. It's nothing. You continue with your studies, oblivious to the opportunity slipping away. And if you are an adult in 2009, you wake up at 7 a.m., work hard all day to provide for your family, and come home exhausted. You see younger people who seem happier and wealthier, and you wonder what you're doing wrong. One day, a colleague mentions Bitcoin, saying, if you invest now, you could be rich in the future. But you brush it off, thinking, getting rich can't be that easy. Each of these people, the child, the teenager, and the adult, ignored a chance to change their lives. The child forgot about the game. The teenager doubted his friend and chose to stay comfortable in his habits. The adult was too consumed by life's struggles to see the opportunity. Years later, they look back and wonder, what if? If they had taken a small risk and listened to their friends, their lives could have been entirely different. You know what? Life is a dream for the wise, a game for the fool, a comedy for the rich, and a tragedy for the poor. No one will hand you successes, not your parents, your spouse, or your friends. You must take action yourself. Let me ask you this. If you had invested just $1 in Bitcoin in 2009, you could probably buy more than 100 Bitcoins. And today, in 2025, your estimated profit will be around $10 million. It's enough to make you a millionaire. But you missed the opportunity. But it's not too late. As a Chinese proverb says, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The best time to buy Bitcoin was in 2009. The second best time is today. If you're ready to stop missing opportunities and start building your financial freedom, subscribe to my channel. Watch my videos to learn how to take action and change your future. Remember, even the smallest actions can lead to explosive results over time. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. Hope this video inspires you to create your dream life. If it resonates, let me know. Thanks for watching.